How to create your own filter on Snapchat Lens Studio. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To create your own filter on your Snapchat Lens Studio, open up a browser and search for Snapchat Lens Studio or type in ar.snap.com. Now this is the Snapchat Lens Studio. Previously, if you know, you won't be able to get access to it if you didn't have a Snapchat Plus. However, with a recent update, now you can easily download this application called Snap AR by tapping on the Download Now button. This will allow you to create your very own Snapchat filters. As you can see, you will have an interface like this, where you can go ahead and enter the prompt of the filter you wish to design, after which it will create yourself a brand new filter from your own idea. So this is how you'll be able to create and share your own filter on Snapchat. And just like that, you have made it to the end of this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.